back to Tight Motoring. There's Phil. He's busy, so he can't really talk with us. Go middle.
Hello, Ben Barber. Good afternoon. Good to see you, buddy.
Let's get into the light here. Today we're down here to check out some builds that are in action, some that are in the middle, some are kind of done. And one of the things we've noticed recently is we like these, I guess these were large SUVs back in the day. This is the Chevy, Blazer?
Yeah, what do you say, 1966?
This one's kind of in the middle. It's got a motor they're trying to finish up. It's got a kind of a cool interior for sure.
Dude, look at this. This is
cool
wild.
Interior.
I don't even know what's under here, but...
So this one's kind of in the middle. We got a Bronco over here that is on its way out. This thing, again, kind of similar class of car, but middle or vehicle.
Dude,
it's beautiful.
These things are highly sought after these days.
Yeah, they are.
I believe he said they did the interior, suspension, wheels and tires, the Rhino lined the shell in here.
Yeah, dude, look at that. You can see it's Rhino lined.
Yeah.
It's cool. Well, Bill,
this thing's rugged and ready to rock.
You were kind of mentioning that you hadn't seen where a lot of this stuff is done. Like this is.
That is correct. I've only been up here. Apparently, there's a lot more going on here.
This is clearly their showroom. Off to the side here, you'll see. It's kind of where they do their wraps. This Hellcat's in for a Nardo gray paint change. Looks like it was white, and now it'll be Nardo gray. So they do their wraps and stuff in here. But a lot of the heavy-duty work happens around back. So let's take ourselves around back. Phil, thank you for letting us come by. We're going to go around back. Appreciate you.
Is this still going to... Is it raining on us?
You guys are wondering where we are. We're at Tight Motoring, just off the interstate here at 65.
All right. Uh-oh. Something making some noise back here.
Sounds good. I don't know if you can hear it, but that does sound good.
Yeah.
It is kind of raining, so we're going to make our way pretty quickly. I do want to show y'all that thing. I love the bag look.
Is that Nardo gray also, Ben?
It's similar, yeah. That's beautiful, though. I love it.
Looks awesome.
So to get around back, you got to go over here because there's a pretty steep wall. Oh, it looks like someone's brand new Jeep is coming over here to get some work done. All right, so to where the work gets done. If you're not familiar, they're kind of, this isn't usually where they let people go spend their time, I guess.
Are you saying that we were getting some special access here at Ben Barber?
It's either special or like, it's the kind of access to like area that you may or may not need to go. This is where all the work gets done. So we've been around here before with our cameras and myself, but Biddle has not. But you can see they've always got some active stuff here, which is exciting.
Dude, look at that other Bronco over here.
Yeah, ooh, yeah.
That thing, it's got some
that thing
meat.
Looks legit. And oh, dude, this nice Jeep.
Getting rained in, it's amazing.
Land Cruiser.
What is this thing, Ben Barber?
I don't know, it's got a little VW motor on it.
I've never seen anything like this before.
Because you're just going to get in trouble with it.
Yeah. It looks like there's a lot of trouble to be had, for sure.
It definitely looks cool.
Okay.
I love the artwork they have on some of these walls around back. And then you kind of come inside here, plenty of workspace. That is usually the fabric guy. Yeah, let's see. Floor mats and such. Oh, nice. That's some working on, this is for the Big Mac truck that's up there, working on the grill for it. Nice some carbon bits over there.
This must be that Bronco he was talking
here's
about.
The other Bronco.
I believe he said that this is having a full body off restoration. Every nut and bolt, he said.
That's awesome. I love the rivets on the wide body for some reason. I usually don't like that on cars, but I like it on the Bronco.
Dude, these seats, you see these seats up here?
Let's do the full look. It's so hard to get this thing in frame, but looks like it's, golly, that is a clean bay, ready for whatever they're putting in it.
I wonder what's going to go in there.
You said it was some form of LS.
Uh-oh. Well, I don't know if you mentioned it, but that truck, that Blazer upstairs,
that Blazer upstairs
supercharged LSA.
Oh,
wow, look at this. Look at that steering wheel.
Quality work you can see all the way on. This is not going to be seen, and it still looks amazing. steering wheel, that gauge set. That's so cool. Oh, wow, man, it really does look like it's brand new. Brand new floors. This thing's like completely rhino lined. Dude, I cannot wait to see this cruising around.
Wow.
Hopefully our event. This is beautiful. This is a beautiful look. Look at that thing.
Yeah,
That's
that is
almost
amazing.
Like kind of, I don't know. I guess it's a couple
I
of
love
stages
it.
darker than a Nardo gray, right? But pretty, pretty cool gray color. So yeah, this is where the work gets done. If you send your car and it's not here for a wrap or whatever, this is generally where they put your car to use. This is not sponsored by Hyundai, but I've never seen
I haven't
a
either.
Hyundai Palisade.
I'm sorry, I didn't want to like hijack the video here, but I just kind of want to see
it.
Whoa, Ben Barber, look at this.
Dude, do we need to
Look at this.
What? Dude, pop that door, Bill.
Man,
I
mean, I know that's like the cloth interior, but
It's
hey, man, this is nice.
This is not a paid advertisement, we promise. Why is it so nice? This is like the rental car fleet car.
Dude.
Wow.
Did you see the gauges and?
Yeah, dude, this looks amazing.
Okay.
Let's see the back seat.
I see you, Hyundai. What y'all doing?
Wow.
Okay.
Captain's
This is
chairs.
cool.
Captain's
This looks like a
chairs.
brand new vehicle.
This is brand new.
It still has stickers on it. Okay.
Okay.
This is.
Dude, dual cup holders, they know these kids are drinking Red Bulls too. Look at that. Folks, this is not very soft. It's kind of hard.
Yeah, it's a little tough.
But I do like this fake metal carbon look. The shades. It's got the shade, Bo Biddle. Crazy. Okay.
All right.
This
Okay.
car,
Enough of the Hyundai. That's fun. That's fun.
Again, there's another area these guys are working, so I don't want to go bother them, but that's where the car lifts are. Again, with the work getting done down here. That's a beautiful color on that truck.
Yeah, it almost looks like British racing greenish.
It's a great color. What would that go on? But it'll stand next to that tire.
I don't know. I look at these tires now. I'm like, it's still not as big as the
You're right, it is
Mega
as big as
Rex
the
tire.
Rex. Yeah, Greg, we were really surprised by the look of this Hyundai as well. Maybe we should get a front shot. This thing is brand new.
Yeah, I don't even know what the front looks like.
Dude, I don't know if y'all are familiar with the oh, wow. Really nice grille.
You know, it does have a little bit of a Infinity-esque.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm just saying, maybe a
Dude,
little.
I love the lights, though. Wow. And I'm sure
They're
those are
stacked.
LEDs.
These things are kind of stacked on top of one another. That's a little different.
The mid-thousands X5 had that cool running board that kind of looks like that.
Oh, look, the window sticker's in. Let's see. What do you think, Ben?
I'm thinking it's a $50,000 car.
Let's have a look.
Dude, this thing is awesome. Look at that grill, Kelby.
What did you say, Ben?
I said at least 50.
You said 50. I don't know. What do you think, guys? It is 38.
Whoa.
815.
41 out the door.
There we go. Yep.
Hyundai, holler at us. We want to drive this thing. That's pretty cool. All right, so clearly they work on all shapes and sizes of vehicles. You go from a brand new Hyundai Palisade, which I've never heard of.
We're not mad at it.
Bo, should we just pop the hatch in the back just to see?
Yeah, of course.
Wow, man, there's a ton of room. See, it has all like the
Power fold, third row seats. Look at all this storage down here.
Dude,
You got your
Ryder
jack.
be all about this thing.
Oh yeah.
He can fit in there, in that storage. Okay.
Okay.
Enough of the. We need to check a Hyundai out sometime.
Yeah,
Okay,
for
folks.
sure.
Well, this has been a quick little learn about wood shop area back in here. I don't want to go too far in because I might get stuck without being able to have service, but definitely a nice wood shop working area. These guys build custom interiors. They really can do everything. They do it all, Bo.
Yeah, clearly they do.
We'll be down here checking them out once or twice a month, depending on what they have going on. If they got something cool, we'll squirt down here real quick. But
We got something coming out of the bay back here.
this looks nice.
It's like a newer Chevy, full wheel
Completely
and tire
unbadged.
package.
And again, with the gray colors.
Oh, it's got
beautiful.
some, look at,
Green wheels.
Asante off-road wheels. Okay. Oh, check out the front fender bin with the Titan motoring.
Oh, dude,
Get
is
that.
sick.
Nicely
See
done.
That's awesome. Match the wheels. Oh, scroll arms, everything. All kinds of green up under there. So yeah, there you go. There's a finished build, or almost finished build coming out right now. That's so cool. All right, Bo Biddle, it's raining.
Yeah,
So-
I'm a little wet, Ben Barber.
We one thing I just wanted to point out. One more thing.
Was it that cool
Look at
ass
the wide
Land
body.
Cruiser over here?
Look at the wide body on this Bronco right here, Bo.
Yes.
We didn't kind of notice earlier.
Okay.
There is a bunch of Broncos out here. This one has a legit wide body.
Yeah,
That's like
that
4
is a
inches.
legit wide body. Is that racing seats on the interior here,
It
Ben?
is. Those are racing seats.
Dude, this thing is ready to go. Look at that. What is this?
It looks like nitrous or airbags. No airbags underneath, so those are for nitrous, I guess.
I feel like if we're over here getting rained
Okay,
on, Ben,
we're getting rained on. We might as well continue getting rained on.
I-
Oh, it's got the military set up. I like it. I like it.
yeah,
It's awesome.
that's I love that color.
It looks cool. You kind of match it too.
Just
Kind of match it.
Just saying.
If you're wondering, like, that's not where you want your gas tank.
no.
You want it
No.
up and in. It's just a theory I've been working on. Okay, folks, our event is tomorrow. We are a rain or shine event, so y'all be sure to come out and see us. Rain or shine. Titan, if it is raining, Titan probably won't be out there, but that won't stop us from coming and saying
We
hi
will
to
be
them.
out there.
We'll be out there. We hope to see you guys out there. For Bo Biddle, my name is Ben Barber. We will see y'all in the next video.